Hi everybody, in this video we're going to have a quick look at a couple of AI things that you can use to make your pictures look great. This was created in AI in Canva, but what we're going to use is something that you might use for yourself to create a picture of you with a t-shirt of anything with any logo on. Now that's quite funky because it means you might not quite have got to the point of getting your t-shirt yet, but it looks much more realistic. So let's go and see what free is out there to help you do it. And we're going to look at something called Gemini. So here we have Gemini asking, what would you like us to do? So what I'm going to want it to do is create a picture from a picture and a logo, but be relatively specific. That's called the prompt, and I'm going to type it in here. So firstly, I need a picture. So let's just upload one of the pictures that I want to use. And then the logo that I want to use. So we've told it what we want it to do. You can be much more detailed than this, but let's just click submit and let it do its magic. So this is what we've got. I could ask it to remove the background. But in all fairness, a picture that's in situ probably looks better than something that has had the background removed. Now, bearing in mind these are AI anyway, it's not quite how I'd like it to be. But you know what? For something that's AI, it's absolutely phenomenal to see what these things are creating. So go and have a play, give it a few goes, give it a few different pictures to see what it can work with. And it's relatively simple to then just right click and save it and use it. So AI doing something good for you.